In our previous class, we had did few identities under trigonometry. Right here, we done. Yes. In the previous class, we had did some identities under trigonometry. Okay. So using those identities, we will solve few questions. Okay. We haven't solved the examples still, so we will take some example problems. So example number 9. Example number 9, what does it tell us? Express the ratios cos A, tan A, secant A in terms of sin A. Okay? So, well, first thing, everyone's here, we have the same question in the exercise with a different expressions. Okay? Look at the board. First thing they have asked is cos A. So, we know that cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. We know this, right? So cos square A can be written as 1 minus sin square A. Cos A can be written as root of 1 minus sin square A. Right? We have expressed cos in terms of sin. Yes? Mark this equation number 1. Yes? Next, what have they asked? They have asked tan. Okay. We know tan A is sin A by cos A. Yes, do we know this? Okay. So from 1, tan A can be written as sin A divided by root of 1 minus sin square A. Yes? Yes? So I'll take this as equation number 2. Again, tan can be expressed in terms of sin. Okay? Clear now? Any doubts? Next we have secant. Okay. So we know that the 1 plus, wait, what is the theorem? 1 plus tan square theta only, no? 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A, right? Or rather, I will make it much more simpler. How can I write secant as? Secant is equal to 1 by cos. Yes? So now equation 1. From equation 1. What is cos A? Root of 1 minus sin square. This is simple, right? Rather than taking tan, secant, and again substituting tan, this much complicated value there and solving. This is simple. You can do it easily. Doubts? Anyone? No one. Secant is reciprocal of cos, right? Yes? Doubt? No doubts? Can we move ahead with the next question? That's it, they have asked us. They have asked us to express cos in terms of sin, tan in terms of sin, secant in terms of sin. Okay? I'll give you time to write. Okay? We'll go ahead with example number 10. Example number 10. So what does example number 10 tells us? Okay, we will consider the LHS and we'll prove for the RHS. Okay? LHS is a pretty complicated part. So we'll consider it and prove for the RHS. So consider the LHS to be secant A 1 minus sin A secant A plus tan A. Okay. Look at the board. Okay, everything now I will express in terms of sin and cos. Okay? All the trigonometric ratios can be expressed in terms of sin and cos. That we all know, right? So secant can be written as 1 by cos. cos A, 1 minus sin A into secant is again 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. So yeah, LCM is the same. So I'll take it out. 1 by cos A into 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. Yes? What happens to the denominator? It becomes cos squared. Yes? Doubt? Okay. Here, A minus B into A plus B. What is it? A square minus B square. 1 minus sin square A is what? By cos square A plus sin square A equals 1. 1 minus sin square A can be written as cos square A divided by cos square A, which is equal to 1, which is our RHS. Doubt?
Sir, 1 minus sin is separate term, sir.
Where have they given? So it's a multiplication term, no? 1 minus sin is separate only, see it? Separate only, no? Where have I added it? Or subtracted it? Down? Where? Yeah, it's okay. Where's the doubt?
No, sir. Got it, sir.
Is it not clear? Then I'll explain. Got that? Okay, fine. We'll go for the next example. We'll give you time. Okay. So more or less, this exercise is all about proving LHS and RHS. So the next part also we have like that itself. So what do we have here? Example number. They asked us to prove cot A minus cos A divided by cot A plus cos A is equal to cosecant A minus 1 divided by cosecant A plus 1. Okay. This is very simple. We'll again consider LHS because that is complicated. Okay. So I will take cot A minus cos A divided by cot A plus cos A. Now you people might ask me a question. Sir, how did you get to know if these kinds of questions are given? Which one to take? LHS or RHS? Both the sides it looks complicated. Right? How will you get to know is when you solve more number of questions, by just looking at the question, you will get to know which one if you solve, you will arrive at which one. Okay, so for this part of the chapter, you require more of practice. You have to take new questions and solve. Apart from NCRT, you have the books with you only. Adi Sharma is there, Agarwal is there. Start solving it simultaneously. Okay, now I am solving this part today evening. 1 hour or just half an hour, sit for the questions of Adi Sharma, solve it. On the same day. If you are taking it for the next day, again it's a pile up of hits. Okay? We'll take here, again as I told you, will express everything in terms of sin and cos. So cot A can be written as cos A divided by sin A minus cos B. The old divided by cos A by sin A plus cos A. Right? Yes? So now, LCM of course. Cos A minus cos A sin A divided by sin A gets cancelled no mutually. So cos A plus cos A sin A. So cos A is common no? I take cos A sin A divided by cos A will be common. 1 plus sin A. Doubt? Yes. What's the result we require? Okay, fine. No worries. We have 1 minus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A. They are expecting us to give the answer in terms of cosecant. what can we write sine as? 1 by cosecant? Yes? Yes? Now again take the LCM. So, cosecant A minus 1 divided by cosecant A. Is this my RHS? Yes, simple. You're just playing with the ratios, that's it. Okay, you're just interchanging the ratios wherever you require. That part you're substituting. Look here, sine is there. I want a required answer in form of cosecant. I can write sine as 1 by cosecant. That's it. Okay? And why I took sine and cos here, cos common out here, it gets simplified. Okay? Because you see your solution, it is given as cosecant minus 1. So you have to get 1 anywhere for that. Either first or next. Wherever you get 1, it's easy for you to simplify. Okay? Let me go ahead with the next one.
Sir, in some problems, both LHS and RHS.
Those kinds of questions also will take.
And this you cannot solve.
This you can solve, sir, but it becomes more complicated. If you're taking LHS and only if you're able to arrive at RHS, why would you complicate?
It is like full simplest form.
No problem. You can solve it further. Are you not able to solve it further? As far as you are able to solve it further, why will you take? Okay. Okay, this is the last example from the trigonometry chapter. Okay. So example number 12. Example number 12. Prove that again LHS and RHS will take. Okay. So here now you see the question in your textbook. In your RHS they have given complicated part. Yes?
Yes, sir.
LHS is simple. It is in terms of sine and cos. Okay, you can solve it. Whereas for RHS it is a bit complicated. So what we will take is take RHS 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. Okay. Cos, my dear, 1 by cos is secant minus. Okay. I'll take cos theta above. So cos theta is divided by 1 minus theta. Okay. In place of 1, what can I write? Or rather, we'll take LHS only. This is making a much more complicated part, no? Okay? I'll take LHS only, it becomes a much more simpler for you. Okay? Nothing will happen. You want your LHS in which column? Sin theta minus cos theta. No, it's making a much more simple, complicated. We'll take the LHS. Or you can keep this as such. Start solving the LHS. Get at this part. Then you can tell LHS is equal to RHS. Okay? You are not able to solve this further. Keep it like this. Take your LHS. Solve further. You will get this part. Okay? Shall I do the same? Shall I take my LHS, solve further and bring it to this part and tell LHS equal to RHS? So my RHS was taken like this. What was it taken? 1 divided by secant theta minus tan theta.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is my equation what I got. I take my LHS now. Can someone tell me the LHS?
Sin theta minus
Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus okay. So my thing over here is in my denominator it is in the form of 1 minus sin theta. Okay. So So what I will do is,
So what?
here it is in the form of 1 minus sin theta in the denominator. So I will divide the entire equation by cos, no need cos, sine. Okay? Yes? Simplify ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Divide by sine means 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta plus 1 by sine is cosecant divided by 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. We know this formula. Cosecant theta minus cot theta is 1. Yes? Cosecant theta minus cos theta is 1. So 1 plus 1 divided by, okay, 1 plus 1 divided by, here 1 is there. So I will take no need, it's gonna go to infinity now. I'll divide the entire equation by cos. So tan theta minus 1 plus 1 divided by tan theta plus 1 minus 1. Huh?
Sir, 1 by cos secant by cos.
Tan theta minus 1 plus secant theta divided by tan theta plus 1 plus minus secant theta. Okay? Signs are correct. One thing. Yes. Now, you know secant theta minus tan theta is 1. So minus secant theta plus tan theta is there.
Square.
You know? Square, yeah, sorry. Okay, well, we'll solve by this method only. This is making a bit complicated part. Okay. So example 12. Okay. So now what you can rearrange this as tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Okay. So what have they asked us is numerator I should get it in the form of tan square theta minus secant square theta. Both are same idea. It will be minus 1 then instead of plus 1. Okay, so henceforth I will multiply and divide by tan theta minus secant theta. Yes. So what happens to the numerator? So tan square theta minus secant square theta minus tan theta plus secant theta divided by, okay, divided by Okay, let me keep this as such, denominator. Tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 into tan theta minus secant theta. What happened to this? Minus 1. If it is secant square minus tan square, then it is plus 1. Here it is tan square minus secant square. So it is minus 1. Clear? Doubt? Okay. So here what I will take is I will take minus common out. Tan square theta minus secant tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 into tan theta minus secant theta. Okay, here also it is there, here also it is there. Cancel it. So 1 divided by secant theta minus tan theta. Yeah, we got it right. This is my arguments. Okay. So as you see, few questions will be tricky like this. Okay, wherein you first take LHS, try solving it, and then start solving RHS, finding out some value that also you won't get. Okay, so when you are not getting these types of questions in your board exam, okay, you will be solving, no, you won't get the solution, no. Pause that, leave some gap, go for the next. Okay, no problem. Instead of spending more time on such questions, better you can solve some quadratic equation questions. Yes, you will have all those options. Okay, when you see these kinds of questions, they are very much tricky and it consumes a lot of time also for you to analyze the question, right? So only better you people can stop it at that point and go on for the next question. Right now. Fine, we'll start with exercise 8.3, a very important exercise for this chapter and a short question from this exercise. Yesterday answer was there, no? Did you check? Trigonometry short questions will come. He was there, no? He told no yesterday. Short 3 marks, 4 marks question from trigonometry exercise. Yeah, this exercise only that is. Exercise 8.3. Okay. Express all these sine, secant and tan in terms of cot. Okay. In terms of cot. Okay. What is cot theta is equal to? Sine by cos. Okay. Yes. So now sin theta is equal to cos theta divided by cot theta. Express sin in terms of cot. Okay. Now for numerator, what will you do? Cos theta can be written as 1 by secant theta cot theta. Yes? Yes. Sin theta can, secant theta can be written as cot theta into root of 1 minus tan square theta. Yes? 1 plus above. Secant square theta is equal to secant square theta again 1 plus tan square theta. Secant theta will be root of 1 plus tan square theta. Cot theta. Tan theta can be written as cot square theta plus 1 divided by cot theta. Cot theta got cancelled. So So sin theta is equal to 1 divided by root of cos square theta plus 1. Equation number 1. Now, huh? They don't give you marks in pencils. Okay, got it? Next question. Sorry. Secant in terms of cot. Okay, again, we told secant theta is equal to root of 1 plus tan square theta, right? So, root of cot square theta plus 1 divided by cot theta. Simple this is. Doubt? In place of that, I am putting as 1 by 1 plus 1 by cot square plus 1 divided by cot square under the root. Cot square is this, so I took it out as cot. Clear? Next. Tan in terms of cot. Tan. This is so difficult to understand. So only it should complement. No. Simply they don't give 3 marks. Okay. Second one. Come. All the angles in terms of secant A. All the angles in terms of secant A. First thing I write. Cos A is equal to 1 by secant A. You got 1? Yes. So tan A is equal to root of secant square A minus 1. What one more? Sir? 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. So tan square A is equal to secant square A minus 1. Tan is equal to root of that. Clear? So now this is equation number 2. So what will be sin? Or what will be cot? 1 by root of secant square A minus 1.
That's also.
We have 3 more ratios.
No, that is only.
Oh, 1 by tan is 1 by tan. That's it. So now, what will be sin?
Sin is
1 by cos.
1 by A.
1 by.
Okay, now sin A is equal to cos A by tan A. Tan A is equal to, sorry,
Tan A by cos.
I'll take sin A is equal to cos A divided by cot A. Cot is equal to cos by sin, no? Cot is equal to cos by sin. So now, sin A will be, what is cos A? 1 by secant A divided by, what is cot A? 1 by root of secant square A minus 1. Take the reciprocal. So sin A will be secant square A minus 1 under the root divided by secant A. Now, so much what, sir? So what is cosecant now? The reciprocal. Yes. Cosecant A is equal to secant A divided by root of secant square A minus. You got all the ratios? Secant is the one more.
Secant is also by cos. Secant is also by cos.
You have to express everything in terms of secant. Okay? But everything in terms of secant. Doubt? Cosecant how? Cosecant is equal to 1 by sin. The reciprocal of sin. You found out sin here? Tool. That's it. Simple. Easy. Okay. Now we'll go next. We'll go for the last question of the day.
MCQs.
Sorry, sir. Okay. What is the answer first one?
0, 9, 8, 0.
It is given as 9 secant square a minus tan square. What is secant square a minus tan square?
1. Oh, 9 common.
And which is the option?
B.
So next one. What have they given?
1 plus tan theta plus secant theta.
Into 1
Into
1
1 plus
plus
1. Small will be 1 by tan.
theta plus secant theta
plus secant.
into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. Right. So express everything in terms of sin
Sin
plus.
S.
So what I get tan as
7 cos.
sin by inverse. So cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 divided by cos theta. First part. Second part will be sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta. Yes? What's that?
Tan is sin.
Huh?
Tan is sin by cos.
Sin by cos. Cot is cos by sin. So secant is 1 by cos. So here one does the take the LCM. Okay? So here cot is what?
1 by tan.
Cos by sin. What is cosecant? 1 by sin. So take sin out. So it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b.
Yes,
A plus b, a minus b.
Yes, sir.
So what is it?
cos square.
Cos, yes, you expand it. Cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 divided by
A plus B, A minus A square.
a square minus b square. A square is cos theta plus sin theta the whole square. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Plus 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta times sin theta is 2. Option
C.
C. Remaining questions we'll take it in the next class. Write down and wind it up.